Okay, you guys, today I'm gonna go over probably one of the best investments you can have or create if your car sits for a long time. Obviously, if you travel a lot like I do, your car's gonna sit for a week or 2 weeks, but there's a solution to that, so you don't have to use jumper cables if your car is in a weird spot, battery box, or even a trickle charger. This way is pretty sick. Okay. See, the battery is dead. But if you come over here, you can see that it's got this awesome anti-gravity battery, and you just press here to restart. Bam, you're in business. Recharged. And now you just come over here. You're good. So yeah, you just let it run. Battery's really tiny. I want to say it weighs anywhere from like 4 to 6 pounds. It's super light. You have all this space. Obviously I need to make a better bracket for it, but works good if you travel.